I'm back. And I've been gone for a while, but as you can see, I was getting a tan. As you can see, I was getting a tan. Actually, I can't show those on YouTube. I told myself that I had to upload a video before the year ends. So we back, and we're slightly worse. My lighting is pretty shit. I never said I was a good YouTuber, but we're doing something really cool today, so welcome back. Welcome back. We're building a PC. Okay, this is the setup that we're dealing with right now. This is where I've done all my magic, everything. This 2015 MacBook Pro served me well, did its purpose, but it's time to bid it farewell. This mat also I need to get rid of, but I don't have a new one yet, so I'm gonna keep this crusty old thing. And the desk, I'm not gonna lie, after putting on all the parts, it looks pretty small, but you know what? Let's just trust the process. This is what I'm most excited about, and honestly, I had a sneak peek. Okay, listen, I've opened almost everything that I have here because Burrs is a scary place. You guys be opening things. Had to make sure nothing's broken. Had to make sure I wasn't scammed because I've been buying some of this stuff for like, you know, well, 1 year actually, 1 year. All the keyboard PC building warriors. I know that the collection of parts does not make sense. Okay, half of the stuff bought here, I was dead broke. You know, so initially it was a budget build, but now I'm up now. The rest of the parts are kind of expensive. And I'm also going for a more aesthetic build. It is what it is. It is what it is. You can hit the comments, tell me what I should have bought, tell me what doesn't make sense. That's cool. That's cool. I will admit, this is not my first pick. This is not my first pick motherboard, simply because I didn't know what to get initially, but I was just trying to get something that was price friendly but had enough features for me to use. To be honest, if I was gonna do this again, I wouldn't buy this motherboard. I would have actually gone AM5, but you know, I was a broke boy back then, okay? So don't judge me. But this is my first PC. I've never built a PC in my life. So, oh my god, everything smells so nice. Okay. Still have no idea what I'm doing. But we move. First thing I want to do, CPU. Bro, this thing looks so freaking nice. I don't know if you can even see that. Oh yeah, there we go. These things look crazy. Okay. Oh. Nope. Oh. It went in. Guys, it went in. It went in. Yo, this is actually super fucking nerve-wracking. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I prejudged every single first-time YouTuber, PC builder that always talks about, oh, it's nerve-wracking, I don't want to bend pins, I don't want to break it. It feels like I want to break it. And not because I'm nervous, but because, like, you know, my muscles are so big. Yeah, so I'm not trying to use like more than 10% of my of all for one. At some point I started buying nice things that I didn't need instead of like practical things that make sense. Cause I'm up now again, I said it. Oh my days. This is so nerve-wracking. So cool. Second and third, you just gonna, nope. Again, everything I do feels like it's going to break, which is crazy. I'm not a fan of that. I mean, it went in. If you see me shaking, just ignore me. Okay. Oh, it went in. Boys, it went in. Slight problemo. Is it gonna hold? Do not judge me, okay? I am not a professional. No one should think I'm a professional. I feel like this goes over here. I should have done this before. Okay, bingo. Let's go. Oh, money. In like butter. My trusty screwdriver with bits. It's in, boys and girls. Anyone watching? It's in. It's time for a tutorial because I have no idea what I'm doing. Brief intermission. I had to change because, you know, my muscles were getting too hot. Had to put those away. You know, it's grind time, serious time now. I figured out how to put on the cooler. Well, I'm still putting it on. And this might get put into like a B-roll kind of situation because the kid next door is he's yapping. Guys, ask me to build your PCs. I'm a pro. It's not like I just watched the video. Look at this magic. Everything is working fine. Okay, everything is working swimmingly.
Now we need to connect the CPU fan to the header right here labeled CPU fan.
I feel like I'm done with the motherboard for now. Cool, let's go to the case. Okay. Yes, I did get a Lian Li dynamic 11 dynamic case. Okay, yes, it's all white. Yes, I caved. Okay, I'm a bitch. Okay, but you know what Playboy Cardi said in that one song. Okay, if I'm a bitch, I'm the baddest bitch. But yeah, I'm actually noticing that my desk does not have the kind of capacity. We do not have the capacity. Wait, hold on. This thing's huge. thing. Bam. Power supply. It costs RM750. The lighting is fighting for its life here. I have so many. Oh my days. Okay, cool. No. Okay, hopefully I think I have a replacement, but this is for an American. This is why buying American parts is always stressful. Because what is this? Look at that. Oh my days. Hopefully I think I have either the adapter or just a new plug. This is the main reason why I went with this PSU, was because everything was in white. Trusty, crusty desk mat. And then I got this guy. The Logitech Lightspeed G305. It's the old version, but it does the job. It's wireless, at least compared to the keyboard, and it looks cool. It's gonna look, oh yeah, it looks cool. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. HDMI cable. Hold on. Okay, we are back. I forgot to click the display board. So hopefully it doesn't blow up. Okay, the light's on. I don't know what those mean. It's working. It's working. Oh my god, it's working. Look how beautiful it is. I haven't taken off the projector screens yet because, you know, I was still fearing for my life. But it is working. Everything is booting. Okay, I'm gonna set it up and then I'll be back. Let's go.